Good morning from the Gobi Desert. So this morning I'm going to review the safari chairs from campervanculture.com. They were gifted to us, but I will still give you a very honest review. We have 4 of them. It's quite hard to show you because it's quite dark in here, but we strapped those around the body box. They don't take up much space. Obviously much more secure than leaving your chairs outside. Also, with the extra strap around the seat, if there is an accident or something, then it's a much more secure way of keeping this box in, rather than with these very small leather straps.
So we've been using these chairs for over 14 months of full-time travel. These chairs have been from -20 to over 40 degrees. They've been through sand, mud, snow, ice, anything you can think, we've chucked at it. We've been through a lot, and they're still working well, and they're going strong. We give them a thumbs up.